Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of the Windows Store App Development Blog. I'm Christophe Nazar, and with my Italian colleague Gianluca Bertelli, we are starting a short series about how to access Facebook services in Windows Store apps. Today, I'm introducing the prerequisite of a Facebook-connected app development. Gianluca will present the arcana of login and OAuth mechanism, and the next episode will cover different services such as a list of friends and timeline access. But let's start with the prerequisites. First, you need to register your application name in the Windows Developer Portal. Go to Submit an App and give it a name. So I'm given the MSDN PFE Facebook, and I'm reserving the application name. Just waiting that everything is set, and this is a name reserved for my application. So now it's time to create your Windows Store application in Visual Studio. Let's go to Visual Studio and create a new Windows Store app. MSDN PFE Facebook. OK. And once this is done, you need to bind it with the store through the project, store, and associate app with the store. You will do the magic of associating what you have defined in the store with your application. You will see why we need to do this after. Go next. So I'm signed with my account, and here is the list of the app I have in the store, and I will select the MSDN PFE Facebook app. Go to next. This is the information related to my application, and I'm doing the association. So once this is done, let's go to the Windows Store, and we need to keep track of this ID that you've seen in the wizard. So let's go to Services. Let's go to Live Service Site. And in the Live Service Site, I need to keep track of the package ID. You will see that this ID is required to bind this Windows Store application to the corresponding Facebook application. You need to go to the Facebook Developer Portal. Here it is. And you need to sign in. So if you didn't have a Facebook developer account already, you need to go to App, and there is an entry at the top to create your account. You will be asked to provide a phone number to get a code that you will enter in the form, and once this is done, you can create a new app. So let's do this. Let's create a new app, and it will be my MSDN PFE, and I'm picking a category. It will be something about productivity, and I will create an app. So I need to enter I'm not sure that I'm able to even read what it is, so let's try another set. Let's try, it's Q, E, D, F, P, R. Let's try this. Seems to work. This is a real secure way to enter information. So let's wait for Facebook to accept my application. And once this is done, I have this app ID. So keep track of this app ID because we will need it later. But first, we need to make the association between this Facebook app and the Windows Store app we've just created before. So let's go to the settings and add a platform. So I want to build a Windows app. It also works for Windows Phone app. So here I need to enter the ID of my Windows Store app. So if you remember, Let's go back to my Windows Store portal. Here it is. So I need to provide this ID, but without the MS app prefix. So I'm starting with the S, do the copy, go there, and paste. So this is the ID, and this is where I'm doing the binding between the Facebook app and the Windows Store app. Let's do save change to validate my choices, and I have finished my association between the two apps. So you are now ready to start coding, and Ranluca will show you the first step, how to authenticate.